back to the RD channel, and today I'm going to show you a very wonderful trick in which you can exactly locate how much signal strength is there in your room. To do this, simply open the phone app and type in star 3001 hash 12345 hash followed by a star. After that, press the call button and you will reach a screen which says field test. From this, click on service cell measurements. Here you will have a measured RSSI readings. This value, if it is positive, indicates a good strength. Now if we move to the other part of the room, the signal strength is slightly weakening, which is indicated by a negative number. So signals less than -50 are poor, but you can make calls, and -120 it's even difficult to make an SMS. So the signal strength is poor. You can easily navigate your room and find out which areas have a better signal, so you can make the calls very easily. So it's a wonderful trick over there, wherein you can find the signal strength anywhere in your home. Thank you for watching RD channel. If you like the trick, kindly apply and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.